Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am Joycey, your maths teacher. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. In the previous class, we have discussed about measurement of weight. We learned what is weight. Yes, weight of a thing tells us how heavy it is. We learned there are two standard units used to measure weight of things, gram and kilogram. G is the short form of gram and kg is the short form of kilogram. To weigh lighter objects such as a pencil, an apple, a small packet of biscuits or chips, we use a standard unit called gram. To weigh heavier things such as a bag of apples, a watermelon, a cat, or a television, we use a standard unit called kilogram. We can weigh things on a balance. We use standard weights for this. See children, these are some standard weights. Next, let us do some exercise problems. We know a simple balance has two pans. We can measure the weight of an object by comparing it with the weight of another object. Let us understand this with examples. We know when we put things of equal weight, the pans remains in the same level. Here you can see a balance in which the pans remains in the same level. So we can say that both the objects have the equal weight. So we can say that the weight of sugar packet is 500 gram. Let us move to the next one. Here also the pans remains in the same level. So we can say that the weight of pencil is 10 gram. The next one, here we have to find out the weight of a packet of chips. Here pans remains in the same level. So we can say that the packet of chips weighs 50 gram. The next one, we have to find out the weight of book. Here the weight of book is 300 gram because the two pans remains in the same level. Let us solve some more problems in which we have to find out the weight of things by using standard weight. Let us solve the first problem. Here you can see one pan containing some books and the other pan containing a 5 kilogram standard weight. So we can say that the books weigh 5 kilogram. Let us solve the next one. Here one pan containing one cat and the other pan containing 3 standard weights of 1 kilogram each. So we can say that the weight of cat is 3 kilogram because here we have 3 weights of 1 kilogram each. That is 1 plus 1 plus 1. We will get 3. That is the weight of cat is 3 kilogram. Let us solve the next problem. Here we can see there is a watermelon in one pan and the other pan contains 2 standard weights of 1 kilogram each. So the total weight is 2 kilogram. That is 1 plus 1 we will get 2. So the watermelon weighs 2 kilogram. Is it clear children? Let us solve the next problem. Here one pan containing a dog and the other pan containing 2 standard weights of 5 kilogram and 3 kilogram of weight. See, the total weight is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 kilogram. That is, the dog weighs 8 kilogram. We can say that the weight of dog is 8 kilogram. Do you know children, a weighing machine can also be used to weigh objects. Let us see how to measure the weight of objects by using a weighing machine. See children, here you can see 3 weighing machines, right? In the first and second weighing machine, we can see the unit kilogram. That is, using these machines, we can measure the weight of objects in kilograms. In the last one, we can see the unit gram. So, we can measure the weight of object in grams. A sugar packet is placed in the first weighing machine and the needle points to 2. That is, the weight of sugar is 2 kilogram. Here we can see the unit kilogram. So we can say that this weighing machine measures the object in kilograms. Let us see the next one. Here a rice packet is placed in this weighing machine and the needle points to 5. So we can say that the rice weighs 5 kilogram. Okay. Here a chocolate is placed in this weighing machine and the needle points to 100. Here this weighing machine measures the object in grams. So we can say that the chocolate weighs 100 gram. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions. Children, today we have discussed about some exercise problems from your textbook. You have to practice it, okay? And you have to write the answers in your textbook. Don't forget it. I hope you have understood today's class. Today we learned the measurement of weight. So children, practice well and study well. See you in the next class. Till then, bye.